So I'm Tanya Kitto. I am a member of a farming family in the Midwest of Western Australia. I worked at a farm machinery dealership. I met Robert and we got married and I moved out here and have been here ever since. Robert and I are very passionate about value adding one of the grains that we grow called lupins. Lupins have traditionally been a stock feed, and with Robert feeding them to sheep and seeing how much they benefit from the lupins, they're much stronger, healthier animals, he decided, let's research and see where we can take lupins. Let's see if we can get them into a market for people to be able to eat.
We started looking at alternative markets for our lupin quite a few years ago, and that led to the advent of building on-farm storage so we could market it throughout the year. This worked really well for a few years. Then other people started getting on board with on-farm storage, mainly closer to the markets. So this led us to start thinking outside the square and where we're going with our lupin. And knowing lupin is jam-packed full of nutrition, we decided to have a go at doing human consumption work as well.
So we needed to create a product that people know, and that was a flour. So we mill a lupin flour, and then we have a retail range of products under the brand of My Provincial Kitchen. So through My Provincial Kitchen we can bring knowledge and really tasty, yummy, gluten-free food that's all based on lupin to people. Lupins are a little powerhouse of a seed. They have 37% protein, they have 42% fibre, they've only got 6% carbohydrates, so that's fantastic. But then they have a huge amount of iron. They've got more iron than kale, they've got more potassium than bananas, they've got more magnesium than spinach, and they've got amino acids, they've got B vitamins. They're just like so nutrient dense, they're awesome. There's so much to love about farming. Like, I love the lifestyle, I love where we live, I love the freedom that it brings us. And I also love the fact that I get to do what I truly love, which is cooking for our family, for our workers. To create food that nourishes people is incredible.